Alright, so you've heard of the Pugachev Cobra, maybe you've seen those insane airshow clips where a fighter jet suddenly pops its nose way up, almost vertical, before leveling out like nothing happened. But what's really going on, and how do pilots actually pull this off? Let's break it down step by step, and talk about why this move is so famous, and what it means for modern combat. First, the basics. The Pugachev Cobra is a legendary maneuver named after Russian test pilot Viktor Pugachev. It's all about dramatic nose-up pitch. Think of the jet briefly standing on its tail while still moving forward. But trust me, it's a lot harder than it looks. Step 1. You need the right aircraft. Most standard jets can't do this. The plane has to be aerodynamically unstable with thrust vectoring or super maneuverability. Think Su-27, Su-35, or the F-22 Raptor. Step 2. Entry speed. You want to be flying straight and level, around 400 to 500 kilometers per hour. Not too fast or you'll overstress the airframe, not too slow or you'll stall completely. Step 3. Pull back on the stick, fast. This is where the magic happens. The nose pitches up to about 120 degrees, sometimes even more. The tail drops, but the jet keeps sliding forward due to inertia. For a second or two, you're basically a flying air brake. Step 4. Recover. Once you've wowed the crowd, or shaken off a missile lock, you push the stick forward, return to level flight, and throttle up. Timing is everything. Now let's talk G-forces. During the Cobra, the G-loads spike dramatically, sometimes up to 7 or 8 Gs. But here's the twist, it's not sustained. Most of the force is pitch, not turning, so it's a wild but brief punch. Still, it's rough on both pilot and machine. So why do this? In a dogfight, the Cobra can make a pursuing enemy overshoot, giving you a split-second chance to turn the tables. It's not a move you use every day, but when it works, it's spectacular. Of course, this stresses the airframe. Repeated Cobras can fatigue critical components, especially the tail and control surfaces. That's why it's used sparingly, and mostly in air shows, or as a last-ditch tactic. So there you have it, the Pugachev Cobra showstopper, dogfight trick, and ultimate test of both pilot skill and aircraft engineering. Would you dare try it?